Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will explore about what is business rule in ServiceNow, what are the types of business rules available in ServiceNow, and how to create a business rule. Okay, so business rule in ServiceNow is a server-side scripting that execute whenever a record is inserted, updated, deleted, or queried from a database table. There are four types of business rules: before, after, async, and display business rule. Before business rule will execute before the database operations. After business rule will execute after the database operation. And async will execute after the database operation is separated. Display business rule will execute when a form loads to display a record. Okay, we will discuss about these types of business rule in detail in my upcoming videos. So I will show you how to create a business rule first of all in ServiceNow. This is my personal PDI. So let's type as business rule. Scroll down and click on the business rules available in system definition. Click on new. Yeah, this is how the business rule record looks like. So here we need to provide the name of the business rule. Okay, let's say demo. And for which table? Let's assume for incident table. Click on this advanced checkbox so that you can see the types of business rule. See here in when to run section, we have four types of business rule: before, after, async, and display. Okay. So that according to your requirement, you can select the what type of business rule you need. So let's select as before. And these are the database operations, guys: insert, update, delete, and query. Okay. So let's check the insert. Here we have a filter condition option. If you need to provide any condition here, you can use this filter condition options. Okay. So in this action section, you have to set any field values means you can go and set from here. Okay. And in the advanced tab, here you have to write the script here. Okay. Based on your requirement, you have to write the script in the advanced section. And if it is a condition based, you have to mention your specified condition here. Okay. After that, click on the submit button. Yeah, your business rule has been created now. So let's check that business rule. Yeah, see, this is the business rule which we have created right now, right? Demo. So let's open this. This is the business rule, right? Just now we have created demo with the name demo. Okay. Yeah, this is how we can create business rule in ServiceNow. I hope you like this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.